What do we have here?
Quad.
Look at this. Little custom exhaust.
Some people weren't too happy with the straight pipe, so we put a muffler on it, and
Why? Who wasn't too happy?
old people.
Jeez. Is this the new exhaust you ordered and we're waiting on?
Yeah. I'm actually, I ordered a new muffler for it. I'm still waiting on it.
Well, hey, we're law-abiding citizens, so we went ahead and rigged up an exhaust. So tell us how this, how you came to fruition with this.
What? I don't know. I put the exhaust on. That was about it.
Yeah.
It fit, so I put it on there and said, "Fuck it." If anybody has anything to trade for this, let me know. Looking for maybe a 300EX or you know, a sketchy Ford Ranger or something with a 5-speed.
DM them on Instagram.
Cash can be added.
How much you want for it?
$1,000.
That ain't bad. Suspension clapped out!
Suspension clapped out!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, you guys.
The engineering.
Yeah, try to get some more sick angle wheelies.
Some weird hand signal. Quad bracers.
Yeah, just like really sketchy gang sign.
Well, James come up with one.
Keep it going. Well, we got about 5 minutes till the police show up.
I wonder how much longer until the popo get here. I give it 5 minutes.
This is what we call an after exhaust cooler. Cools your exhaust gas.
I don't know if that's what we call it.
That's what I'm calling it. My steel strapping brook.
Hey, go straight up like that.
You're gonna be able to ride it.
Sure you are. Just, yeah. That ain't bad.
It's pretty bad.
Do a big jump. What? Do a big jump. Or do one of your wheelies over the thing.
Back here or something. Oh boys, the cops will be here in 5 minutes. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That ain't gonna work. Guys, we're gonna give away our original quad racer straight pipe exhaust.
I don't think we are.
Adds approximately 15 horsepower.
Just throw it down on the road and then we'll say come get it.
Yeah.
What is going on up here, bud?
Apparently there's a bird's nest in there.
Oh yeah, that's the carport mascot.
There isn't actually anything in there though.
Well, we got some footage of the 400EX. What do you want to do for the rest of the day?
Smoke cigarettes and drink oil.
I don't think so. What the hell?
Well, we need to address some of the comments.
Why? What's the deal?
Apparently some of our fans just...
Maybe they aren't fans. Maybe they're just...
Yeah, I guess...
Somebody got pissed that we called everybody fans. So I guess we have to call them viewers now.
The viewers.
I think it's that time of the day where we just go over some comments from you guys. I noticed there's a lot of new haters with the whole CRA.
Because you're dumb and white and thinks he knows everything. That's why your Blake blew up right away.
Jesus. Alright, let's go over why the CR blew up. A longer break-in would not have prevented that.
Alright, let's repeat this because some people are too dumb and they don't listen. The piston was hitting the head. It had nothing to do with the break-in process or how fast we pulled it out and rode it or any of that. Okay? I'm sure that if it would have kept running and we just kept bringing it out and not letting it warm up, yeah, it could have blown up, but that's not why it blew up.
When it was hitting the head, it was making the skirt on the opposite end of the piston head hit up against the wall. Breaking it in longer doesn't make like the connecting rod any shorter. Like it still would have been hitting the head and this still would have happened.
Of course, people are still going to comment, oh, you should have broke it in longer, at least 2 times. Like, Jesus Christ, we did the break-in process.
Yeah, and that's the other thing.
We
like,
didn't get like every second of it on video.
I don't know if you want to just watch like an hour of it,
yeah, here's
of footage of it straight.
Here's a guy that just won't let up. This is a good one. You guys are retarded as shit. I'm glad all of you ride pieces of shit. I would cry if you guys got anything decent. Idiots.
Yeah, I saw that guy. That guy's really getting a boner over this last video.
He says,
he went on.
You're so fucking stupid, you have no idea. You think the bottom end would go higher than a normal one? If so, then you're actually retarded. Think before you speak.
Shut the fuck up! Jesus Christ! I'm sorry, continue.
Unless they didn't check it properly, which they probably didn't because they are fucking hacks.
He commented like 5 times on the CR80 blow-up video.
And then I commented and I just had to take a shit on him a little bit. And then he said, did you try turning it off and then back on? And that was his, I guess that was like his reply to that. All right, here's one. Air leak, that's why it was running like shit before, and that's why it leaned out and blew the fuck up. It didn't lean out, that has nothing to do with it. No wonder it fucking blew up. You look like a fucking dumbass riding that with a brand new top end. All you guys do is beat your stuff and not take care of it.
Do you guys want to see like putting around the yard like in first gear? Just like, I mean, we'll show all the warm-ups from now on.
You probably rode it too hard when you were breaking it in. Did you ever think maybe the crank bearing is shot? Hondas are fucking gay. You didn't break it in right because you didn't ride it slow and idle for a while. Somebody said, love them tobacco products.
Fuck. I want to check out some of these. This guy that goes on and like commented like 5 or 6 times. We'll take a look at his channel. We'll take a peek.
People who just talk shit all day long.
Here, let's see who's shitting on us.
What the fuck is going on here?
What's going on, you guys? So,
What's going on, you guys?
the RB is being, or should I say the RB is being not sold, but getting rid of today. I'm trading it for something.
Trading for something. I mean, something else is coming on the channel. I know.
This is the guy who's shitting on us.
Maybe I want me to keep more stuff. Maybe I want me to keep doing what I'm doing, but I like trading stuff. I like getting rid of stuff. I like getting new stuff. But yeah, I'm waiting on the guy now. Yeah. I don't know if that's him or not. I don't think it is. No, that's not him. But anyway, I'm getting rid of the RB. I'm getting something else. You guys will see what it is in the next video. So stay tuned for that. What the fuck's going on? Bro, why are you shitting on us again and again? Like, shut the fuck up. You have no room to talk. Jesus Christ.
All right, let's remember one other thing. I've never even done a 2-stroke rebuild before. I don't know. People expected I was going to get it, like, it was literally half a fucking millimeter off, and I measured it. And as you can see, we don't have a precision shop in here. We can't tell, like, we had no way of knowing that.
I mean, who really gives a shit? Like, isn't it more entertaining to, like, watch us beat the shit out of stuff rather than just, like, act like normal people and
All right,
baby?
guys, we're turning the channel around. Let's go show you guys what it's going to be like.
All right, from now on, no more beating stuff. Everything gets babied. We're nothing more than second gear in the yard. No high revs, half-hour warm-ups, and 4-day break-ins.
All right, we're changing the name to Quad Riders now. It's going to be no more sketchiness. It's just going to be...
I think it should be Quad Etiquette.
Okay, today guys, I'm gonna be selling, actually trading my LTZ 400. Yeah, it's gonna be trading it.
What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be selling, or actually trading. I'm gonna be trading the CR.
Not sold, but getting rid of today. I'm trading it for something. trading for something. What is up, guys? A lot of new stuff coming on the channel. Fucking. Yeah. I don't know if that's him or not. I don't think it is. No, that's not him. I got a little surprise coming for you guys. I'm not gonna tell you. So you guys will see what it is in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, it's a new dirt bike I'm getting an RM. I like to buy and trade a lot of new stuff. I will give you a little hint. It is a car. Like I said before, I want to start getting cars instead of doing dirt bikes, because dirt bikes have just gotten old to me. I've had so many.
Yeah, just let me know, guys, what you want to see on the channel. This bike might still be on the channel.
But stay tuned for the next video where you will see what I got. Those quad racers are a little piece of shit. I hope you guys stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, I have a big cock. Alright, we'll like end with that.
That might have been 2K.
Alright, yeah, let's, can you show us, how to properly ride a quad? You know, nothing sketchy, just normal riding. Hey, both hands on the handlebars. Where's your helmet? Hey, that is not normal riding, young man.
I'm an asshole.